Oh, boys, they're just gorgeous. Look at them. Oh, that's so beautiful. They're like, oh, man. Oh, they look absolutely beautiful. Actually, guys, these guys are big enough that they could actually have the barn floor. I think what I'm going to do today is I'm going to do the barn floor. I'm going to put everybody on the barn floor today, and then I'm going to keep one kiddie pool for everybody that I take out of the hatches today. I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to see how how it goes here today. Oh, look at this! Picking up the camera. They're really gorgeous. Hello, ducks. Oh, they stand up to attention. Hello. Hello, ducks.